Today I present to you what we call stencil. Stencil we use for decorative pens. You can see you can use these stencils on Travertino pens, Velveto pens. You can use it on Palace pens, Swahili. You can use it on texture pens, Flace coat. You can see we have different types, different heads, different designs. You just need to select one and make order today. We will send it to your doorstep. If you are around Eastern Nigeria, if you are around Onitsha, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Abia, Delta State, Ebonyi, anywhere you are in Nigeria, do you understand? You can make order today. From if you are even in Benin, Edo State, you can make order today. We have different designs. Versace, we have all any design you think of. Just go through the video, you will see all the designs we have here. You can order your own today. You just need to call or WhatsApp the number on the screen 080 39 31 63 69 or 0810 3871 493. We have different types, we have different designs. You can see them here. You can use them on your Travertino designs. You understand? You can use them on your velvet, whether soft or hard. You can use them on your palace designs. You can use them, understand, on your texture walls. You can use them with your texture designs. You can use them with your potty. Any design of the choice, you can use this design here. We have them. Select any one you want and order it today. Chat this number on screen 080 39 31 63 69. Chat me on WhatsApp. Message me so that we can couple your own. We have it on different sizes. We have the biggest size, we have the medium size. The big size is 2 feet by 2 feet, 2 feet square. This medium size is a 1 foot. Then the other one is half of a foot. Understand? You can order your own today. We have different size. Just take a look at them. You make your order today. Understand? Upgrade your painting skills, not your regular painting designs. Stencils can help you upgrade it. Stencil can help you, I swear. Don't waste your time. This is Christmas time. This is December time. Understand? Make your order. Any design you want, you can see them here. Make your order. We will supply you. We are in Onitsha. Our office in Onitsha, 111 Old Road, Mpo. You can call us. You can come to our office, visit our office, or you can make your order. We are at 111 Old Road, Mpo. Do you understand? You can still call us. This one is the smallest, the medium size. You will still see the small size. Order your own today. Upgrade your painting skills. Understand? Yeah. Just keep watching. Anyone you see and you like it, don't waste time to order. Don't waste time to order. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.